Hi guys, welcome to Maxie and Mommy Reviews.
I said I was going to do a review on something.
Yes.
All right. So, what you bought me, boo? What you bought me?
I went grocery shopping and I got us
Finally,
I
she's
got
grocery
us
shopping.
some cleaning supplies because my mom doesn't allow me to wash my own clothes because anything that's an appliance to her is sacred, and she did all this research
Appliances is sacred.
so she doesn't want me to mess it up. So I got us some new stuff.
Okay,
And
hurry up.
okay.
We got a little clothes to do.
All right, let's do that.
So, first and foremost, Maxie switched me up back to my old Tide. Stick with what you know.
No.
Old school.
What flavor is it? Come on.
Flavor or scent.
It's not a flavor.
April fresh. That's nice. That is nice.
actually really is nice.
That's nice. Okay, put the top back on before you drop it.
Okay.
And then Downy. What
Mom.
scent is this? April fresh. No, I always at the shop do this, and that the aroma comes out, and then you can smell it.
Why do you
April
use
fresh.
it? Why do you use it?
Because it makes your clothes smell good and makes them fluffy, I think. But I like for the scent. And then this also makes your clothes, especially if you have stinky gym clothes. This is sparkling amber and rose. Let's open that to see what that's like. I smell the sparkling.
How you smell? What is
Good.
that?
That is Downy Infusions. This. She's taking too long. And then this is the clothes softener. So these go together, okay? Same scent. These two go together because you gotta couple up. You gotta like pair up your stuff, right? Now this is for, oh, very good, Maxie. Odor Protect.
Yes, because you
Active Fresh. It's, I guess, oh, that's pink. So now you bought in the green. Active Fresh.
Yeah, you like
All
that?
right, let's see how this works.
Oh, look, and it's scratch and sniff. You didn't even look read
I see that.
Scratch and
Very
sniff.
good, Maxie. High five.
So when
Okay,
you
we'll
sleep, when
see.
you go for your walks.
We'll let you know how that goes. All right, Maxie, you haven't taken out.
You ever sniff?
Oh, is this a scratch and sniff too? That's
Oh, it does
nice.
activate.
All right.
I can't wait to move on in my sheets.
Good.
Ooh, that sounded, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it did sound weird. I didn't mean it in a weird way. I didn't mean it like that.